We are going to talk today about prepositions. Preposition is a part of speech just like a noun or a verb. It connects a noun or pronoun to another word in the sentence, showing us the relationship between them. Prepositions usually answer the questions where or when. I'm going to give you a sheet of commonly used prepositions that you can use with this worksheet. They often tell the location of a person or an object in time or space. This information is given as a group of words rather than a single word. We call that group of words a prepositional phrase. So it starts with a preposition right here, preposition, and it ends with a noun or a pronoun. And you're going to see some examples down below. The prepositional phrase in the sentence below, over the rainbow. So if we look at over the rainbow here, we have over as our preposition, and we have rainbow as our object. So it always starts with a preposition and ends with an object. Begins with the preposition over. The prepositional phrase connects the bird and the rainbow. So we have the bird flew over the rainbow. Over, preposition, and rainbow is our object. Prepositions and prepositional phrases tell location. Here's another one. The prepositional phrase in the sentence below, during class, begins with the preposition during. The prepositional phrase connects the girls to the class, telling us when the girls were talking. The noisy girls were talking during class. During is our preposition. Class is our object. What you're going to do on this paper here, you have 8 of them, is you are going to read the sentences and underline the prepositional phrase and circle the preposition like they did in number 1. The brave knight carried the beautiful princess through the castle door. So through is my preposition. Door is my object. And I underline all of it because it's all the prepositional phrase. But I only circle the preposition. It must begin with a preposition and end with a noun or a pronoun.